Well, hello everybody. My name is Jimmy. I am the independent owner operator of CARMA Pool. Hey, I just want to take a second and say thank you for stopping by my video today. I wanted to get into how to buy Cardano. A bit more difficult than you would think. I've been helping out some friends and family. I just thought I'd put a video together and show you exactly how to do that and what is the best way to do that. So I've got a couple apps open here. I've got my Daedalus wallet. I've got my Ledger Live app open. And this is a link to my pool. But where I want to direct you just to get started, and like I said, in the United States, it's really hard to purchase ADA from a bank. There's lots of ways to get it with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency and transfer it back over, but I found this is the best, simplest, and hands down cheapest way to get an account. Though you're going to have to download their app, and I'm going to just go through a bit of that review here right now on my tablet. When you get there, just look for the lion icon on either one of those stores. But once you do this, you're going to they're going to make you get to create an account. So you're going to take pictures of your driver's license, fill out your address and stuff like that. And it does take them a couple days to get this all up and running. So just beware of that. But it is, in my opinion, the fastest, safest way to get ADA in the United States of America. So when you open this app, actually, it's going to take you to the home page here. I'm guessing you won't have a balance, although they are going to try and talk into their credit card and give you like a $50 worth of crow or something anyway. So on the home page here, you can see we've just got our coins here, and we've got ADA towards the top because it's probably the best. You just select on that. So I'm having a little trouble the camera here, and you got Cardano ADA, and you just click right here, buy ADA. Now the first option it's going to give you is to use with the MasterCard Visa, and let's say I want to buy $1,000. You can see at the top here we've got credit card, but if we want to buy with a credit card, you've got a weekly limit or something here. Let's say I want to buy 1,000 ADA. Now I wanted to show you this app for like 6 months, but they are offering the first 30 days 0% credit card fee. So right now it's 3%, which is, it's spendy in my opinion. But when you sign up for this, the first 30 days are free credit card fees. So take advantage of that. Just hit collect and you buy that and hit confirm. This is going to send you into a window where if you haven't bought ADA with this credit card yet, it's going to have you call your bank 9 times out of 10. But it's frustrating, but it's something that has to be done. Anyway, okay, so I wanted to show you this fiat wallet, which is pretty easy, but you can buy with your fiat wallet. But in order to do that, we've got to load the fiat wallet. And the easiest way to do that is with a bank ACH. So on our home screen here, actually go into our accounts. You've got your crypto earn. I don't have a credit card, so nothing there. And then the fiat wallet here. So select fiat wallet. Took a second to load last time too. Anyway, select fiat wallet. I got a massive balance here, and hit transfer because we want to deposit. And hopefully you can read this button down here. It's deposit withdrawal, but this is how you get your money back out too. So I'm going to deposit, and it'll ask you which currency, US dollar obviously for the United States of America. And then you can set up your deposit options with an ACH or a wire transfer. Both of these are free with my bank. They were super quick. I prefer ACH. And I just set up on my app on my phone, my tablet. I just grabbed their routing number, account number. It's a checking. That's the name of the bank. I looked up their phone number from my bank, but after that, it was all said and done. Just keep in mind the minimum deposit here transfers $100. So, send $100 and it takes about 2 days, and then, you can make a larger purchase if you're ready to go after that. Anyway, so I have found that this is the best, quickest way to get ADA in the USA. I've helped out a lot of friends and fans. Check us out on CardanoToChangeTheWorld.org. Thanks a lot, guys. Really appreciate your time. Next, we're going to get into delegation and how to delegate, how to look at the pools, and judge where you want to invest your Cardano ADA.